Some people say Tesla is a car company, others insist Tesla is a technology and software company on wheels. But does it matter if Tesla is a car company or a technology company? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, join our community, and ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload our next story. This month, Tesla became the world's most valuable car company, as its shares price hit 1,000 for the first time, and actually it went up now this couple of days, including today. That's more than the sum worth of Ford, General Motors, Honda, and Fiat Chrysler automobiles. Buzz about Tesla is talk of the video chats because the all-electric car company looks to the future with research and development focused on extensive technology transformation, and it's pretty exciting. Is Tesla a car company or a technology company? That's the question a recent Business Insider article posed, tracing the innovations of the 20th century and comparing Tesla to, say, the rise of transatlantic travel, railroads, nuclear power, and jet fighter. Maybe fighter jet. It was a strange, primarily pictorial narrative, but the article did get me thinking, does it matter if Tesla's claim to fame is automotive or technological? Does it matter if Tesla's claim to fame is automotive or technological? What is it for you? Isn't it really more important that Tesla's charging infrastructure, battery capacity, over-the-air software updates, automated driving systems, and the all-electric mobility has made sustainable transportation mainstream? Tesla's business model encompasses what's being called the energy triumvirate: transportation, home solar, and battery storage. The three-way renewable energy system provides security against rising energy costs, connected software, and solar production for energy independence. And that reciprocity is just one reason to look at Tesla as much more than either a car company or a technology company. Now, the argument for Tesla as a car company, albeit a very clever one, it can be said that because Tesla depends on the same capital-intensive production system as legacy car makers, it should be categorized as another car company. Others add unequivocally to the argument that the company's disruption of the way automakers do business with the direct-to-consumer sales is a source of inspiration for traditional auto manufacturers. Sure, the exclaim Tesla's products are sleek and futuristic and run on advanced software, but it's still a car company with associated high fixed costs, lack of typical high software profile, and seasonal business cycles. But there is more to Tesla's success than restructuring traditional car manufacturing. Tesla's vertical integration has given it an advantage in the industry, although that approach was more born out of necessity than due to a company mandate to be more profitable, innovative, or distinct from other car companies. Many of the required parts, systems, and services that Tesla needed early on simply didn't exist. So instead of training a supplier, Tesla filled in the vacuum itself. Now, the other one is there is Tesla technology that leaves other auto manufacturers baffled. Was it just 2 years ago that Tesla commented that the company's goal, quote, is to become the best manufacturer in the automotive industry, and having cutting-edge robotic expertise in-house is at the core of the goal, end of the quote. Every quarter, it seems that Tesla's distinctions in technology surpass legacy automakers. The all-electric car company continually leads the industry in battery technology, artificial intelligence, and data collection. For example, the energy sector has been transformed by Tesla's battery pack emphasis to the point that lithium-ion batteries could become another profit generator for the company as more and more business transition from carbon. Tesla's enormous battery factory, about 5.5 million square feet in Nevada called Gigafactory 1, is off-sited at the key to Tesla's future. And of course, Tesla's supercharging network paved the way for the electric vehicles revolution. The location of all active superchargers are built into the navigation system, and the car uses its current state of charge and the distance of the trip, among other variables, to determine if a charging stop is needed. Tesla zooms ahead of other automakers in many ways, including accentuating driver focus and safety through its autopilot feature. With 8 external cameras, a radar, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a powerful onboard computer, autopilot suite of driver assistance features is partly the result of a neural network that has accumulated billions of miles of driver experience. Tesla's accumulated autonomy data set is truly unique, and it has some automakers worried that they are so far behind Tesla in research and development that catching up is going to be a long, strenuous, and possibly futile race. Tesla is a car company and a technology company. It couldn't survive exclusively in either camp. CEO Elon Musk created a business model that disrupted the slow-changing auto industry by streamlining design, manufacturing, and distribution processes, and in doing so created a technologically savvy and very loyal brand following. In the not-too-distant future, we'll see the transformer-like Tesla Cybertruck, the Tesla Semi and Mega Chargers, Tesla robotaxis that activate a self-driving computer chip installed in each vehicle, with both owner and Tesla sharing profits. And lots of individuals and countries want a piece of Tesla's future action. The stories in the Tesla narrative just keep emerging. Today, Tesla CEO Elon Musk replied to a tweet with the exclamation, "Giga Berlin is gonna rock." The trains are arriving in Germany, filled with pillars, beams, and second-floor elements for the next Tesla Gigafactory. It's another chapter in a very exciting narrative about a combined car and technology venture that foreshadows the future of electrification and transportation. Now, some people say that the tech company versus car company discussion is nonsense. Ford, GM, and Tesla are all car companies. Ford and GM are well-established car companies with legacy products and ICEV mindset and shrinking market share. Tesla is a high-growth car company with products of a type that will dominate the market in the future and a huge advantage in knowing how to build such product. It is not car company versus tech company, but negative growth company versus high positive growth company. Tesla is a sustainable energy company. From the beginning, their mission has been to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy, and they have never taken their eyes off that ball. They develop and deploy technology needed to accomplish that mission. AI, stamping process, better robot programming, and etc. The most important technology they're deploying for that mission, batteries. One could say that Tesla is a battery company, but that's incomplete too. It's a sustainable energy ecosystem. Others say Tesla is a tech company. Plain and simple. Building cars is only the beginning and is a huge part of, not necessarily the biggest part. This company is still in its infancy. They cannot be compared to other auto manufacturers, as no other auto manufacturer is even trying to match the breadth of the reach of Tesla is implementing. It is like a diversified portfolio. Each component supports the other and compounds the portfolio overall. From an ideals and mission standpoint, they are redefining what capitalism should look like. In the meantime, Tesla is now the world's most valuable car company with a $208 billion valuation, and is changing day by day. But interestingly, while Tesla now has a higher market cap than Toyota, it still lags the Japanese automaker in several key metrics. Toyota still produces a far greater volume of vehicles than Tesla, for example. In the first quarter of 2020, Tesla said it produced about 103,000 vehicles. In 2020, Tesla said that it produced 133,000 vehicles, while Toyota produced 2.4 million vehicles during that same period. Toyota also has a greater enterprise value, $290 billion, which factors in a company's debt than Tesla does, $252 billion, according to FactSet data. So what do you think, friends? Is Tesla a car company or technology company or software company or both? Or maybe Tesla is an energy company? Let me know in the comments and let's continue the discussion there. In the meantime, this is Armen Hareyan from TalkNews.com. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you all and peace.